rise like a burning flame. I've been through the pain and that's all that remains. That's the name of the game, I ain't got time to run. You know I let it go, nigga, I don't fear no one. Turn my pain into power and I stand on track. I ain't looking back, got my grinding to shine. I ain't got no time to waste, they come and go. Stacks on track, I ain't looking back. Gotta set it free, it's all that I see. Can't go wrong, I'm staying strong, leave these haters behind me. Stay on the grind, steady making a name. Ain't playing no games, y'all niggas sounding lame. I push through the pain, I never be a victim. Run through the friction, I can't afford to be slipping. With my mind on a mission, ain't no time to flop. Never gon' stop, ride through the pain. That's a never in a dream, I can't be caught in between. That's just me, stacking my grain. Don't stop, nigga, don't be rushing me. It's a blushing, I'm in here to make some. Ain't no surprise, I'm on a grind. You know I'm staying, I ain't got time to be playing. Chasing dreams non-stop, yeah. Gotta know how it goes, I'm stacking the dough. You know how it goes in the city when I'm living like a G. To the very end, I got time for fake friends. These haters wanna crash, I'm stacking my cash. Never gon' stop, I gotta keep it going. Keep moving, gotta stay strong for this crazy world. Watch me make moves, I'm making it through. I got nothing to lose, ride with the crew. Ain't no fake love, you can catch me in the trap, real dude. Never gonna be on top, rise to the top and I'm steady crashing. You know we got time for relaxing. Spitting real steam, I'm living my dream. Brushing them off, so I think about. I'm too young to be misunderstood. I get the bag, by any means I made it myself. Keep grinding, I can't be sleeping. I come back and I'm thriving. You know I'm staying alive. In a crazy town, I can't be bringing me down. Can't help but get lit. I got gold on my wrist. Nothing to prove, always on the move. Reaching new heights, feeling too fly. I got my city in the crown. Look at me now, I'm holding the ground. Breaking it down, I got time to play, that's where it stays.